Good it all. Why not to use DEPED email or school email or supervised email in making YouTube account? This is because YouTube forbid of transferring that kind of account. But why do we need to transfer our account? Basically, me, I'm not forever working as an educator in the Department of Education. In the next 2 decades, I will be retiring. The possibility is it might be that my email account will be deleted in the system because I'm already out in the department. And what about my YouTube channel? My account will be maybe dead. Now let's see the difference between these two emails in using YouTube account. Example, I have here a YouTube channel using DEPED email. Just set your display to desktop view on the feature setting. On the feature setting, when I click this create new channel, the result will be invalid request. And in the advanced setting, when I click this move channel to brand account, the result is no other account available. Because DEPED email or school email or supervised email has limited access in YouTube setting. Now let's switch to my Gmail account on YouTube. Here you can add channel. Here you can create another channel. I got 3 channels here, and one of it is my basic info channel. You can also add managers to your brand account. And if you have personal Gmail account, better move it to your brand account so that you can have more settings like adding your managers like your editor. So that's all for now. I hope you get something to my video presentation. Before I end up, let's always remember to learn the basic at Basic Info channel. Thank you. Thank you for my tutor for giving me this video camera.